When we think of classical antiquity, we often think of the Mediterranean world only. However, there were around half a dozen cities outside of the Mediterranean that had a lot of control over the most luxurious of goods. These cities were located on the coast of the Horn of Africa, or modern-day Somalia, and were responsible for the reselling of Indian spices to the west. The local merchants hid the source of their spices so well that both the Romans and Greeks thought that the source of these spices, namely cinnamon, to be the Somali peninsula itself. This cinnamon reached the Somali coast in large quantities from the Tamil merchants coming from southern Indian ports, and, due to its rarity, the Somali city-states were able to grow extremely rich by reselling it for inflated prices to the Mediterranean nations. To begin our voyage, we arrive at our first destination, the Emporium of Mundus. Not a lot is known about this city except for its abundance of incense and shrewd merchants. After 2 or 3 days' sail, we reach the most important of these cities, the Emporium of Mosilon, which exported one certain species of cinnamon known as Mosilitic. This species was so rare and of such quality that whenever the ancient Romans acquired this form of cinnamon, it was typically deposited in the Roman royal treasury. Sailing along the coast of Mosilon, we reach the Emporium of Opane, which is located on the Hathon Peninsula. It was known not only for its cinnamon, but also for the quality of its tortoise shells. Opane also served as a port of call for merchants from throughout the entire ancient world, due to its strategic location. Beyond Opane, the trade would continue towards sub-Saharan Africa, where ivory and gold would be imported from city-states along the Swahili coast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more great history-related videos. Also, be sure to join our community Discord, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.